Congratulations, my brother. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very, very much for supporting Mickey, for supporting Ugandan music, and for turning up today. Banange Jemuri, Aba Western Uganda Murio, Aba Nyankore Murio, Tikure Utukware Wakandebe mikono yanyu. Mwebale mnonga kumusha jikamiki waini. Nomanya na marubwire bwinji omulyankore oruganda rwanje narwebwa rona narwebwa nakambori nyankore rwinji munonga tikwishuka rugandije kokamwe bari munonga lizoba kwisha. Thank you very much. Abanoza Uganda mulio apoyo mateka apoyo dan magic bamwe microphone dan magic bakwe microphone nyindo gamba oruchori kandi oruhindure orutomo Ruganda damuri apoyo matek apoyo tutwara
mwebale nyo mwebale gedala
apoyo orubino
mwebale nyo kujja
apoyo orubino mi isho me Mickey Wine
mwebale nyo kujja musho ya Mickey Wine
apoyo me mara
mwebale muno mwebale nyo kumwagala
Amaru tutwara
abagala nyo.
Thank you very much. Bana kutubagala ni Waganda wafeo mwebale nyo kwagala music wa Uganda. Ate it can be better than this. We are going to make it better than this. Queen of Star Abakabi, I want to salute all the stars that we have. Stars like King Saha, stars like Matthias Warukaga, stars like Dax Vibes. I'm so proud of you, my brother, and all our young brothers. Thank you, mwebale kutatuswaza. Zesobola kuperforminga kati sobola kola show. Nena ngendi movie mwana. The badness in this industry, you see me. But still, when they stopped Bobby Wine, many other artists showed up. When they banned Bobby Wine, King Saha rose. When they banned Bobby Wine, Dax Vibes rose. When they banned Bobby Wine, Mickey Wine rose. Nga Yesu ya tugamba nti bwe munaasirisa abantu abo amayinja gajja kwogerera waggulu. Kati amayinja googera. Mwebale nnyo mweyongere okwagira industry ya Uganda. We're going to make this industry better, ladies and gentlemen. As a matter of fact, tuli mu season ya kulonda, right? Look at me, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine having a president that looks like me. Just imagine. For a minute, pause. For a minute, pause. Look at the man in our state house. And look at me. Look at the ideas. Look at the generation. None of you has ever seen another president in your life. That is supposed to make you shy. President Molala. Tulipa artists wano na Mickey yandi badafuna sente nyingi nyo on the live streams. All that is supposed to be your revenue. But we have no copyright law. You understand? So we are going to change that. Be sure, have no doubt. I'm going to be president. If not tomorrow, the other day. If not the other day, I'm going to change this country. Omulangira wasajja nsanyuse nnyo okulabako mukwano gwange bene mutuuseko kwagala kwaffe bana mwebale nnyo kwagala industry ya Uganda. Nkagamba munonga n'amaraka ganje gasisikala tikuwasa kweshongora sisobola na kuyimba kati naye mwebale nnyo n'abaana b'ekisolo abagisolo muliyo murakoze cyane gutwakira turabashaka cyane. Thank you very much. We love you. To all our leaders, Chairman Inyas is there, Mayor Nubian is there, and one of the most disciplined leaders that we have, and our incoming Mayor, Ronald Nsumuga Barimwezo. We respect you, we love you. To all of our brothers and sisters, Milonda Baba Sister Bangi, abalungi abali wano, waliwo ne sister waffe Gwempenye Ekitiibwa bamuyita Namagembe, twamutuma n'abaana baffe. We love you, we respect you. To all our children, to Uganda, thank you very much. Sigenda bayimbiramu olwaleero, let me leave you to the young ones. Ne Mukama bakuume.